Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this wispy hair combo on Dress to Impress. So I love this look so much, so I like to use this ponytail here. Just color whatever you like. I'm just going to color mine black. Go to bangs and select this one and color it the same color. So 1 and 2 the same color. Then you're going to grab this one and you're going to color it the same as the rest of your hair. And you got this like cute wispy hair combo. You can even change like the base of it to one that you like. Maybe this one is also adorable. Just find one that is like this as well. You can do that. Maybe this one. Doesn't look as great though as the rest. You can also use this one. Just play with the base, like the base hairstyles, until you find one that you like. But I like the first one, which is this one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.